Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Sodium to any version of Minecraft on your Mac. Before we get started, it's important to note that you will need to have Java installed on your Mac. So if you don't have it already, I will leave a tutorial linked in the description below. The first thing we need to do is download the correct Minecraft version files, so we can install Sodium later. To do this, open your Minecraft launcher and select the version of Minecraft you want to install Sodium to. For this example, it's 1.21.4. Once Minecraft has opened, this means the files have been downloaded, so we can go ahead and quit the game. Now we'll just need to download Fabric, which is the modern platform we use to install Sodium. Open your web browser and go to fabricmc.net. I'll leave this website linked in the description below. Click on the download button, and then click on the download installer button. Go ahead and download the Fabric installer to your Mac. For this example, I'm going to download it to my desktop. We also need to download the Fabric API so our mods run correctly. Click on the Fabric API link underneath the download button. This will take you to the CurseForge website. Click on the Files tab, and scroll down and select the version of the Fabric API you're trying to run Minecraft on. For this example, it's going to be 1.21.4, so we're going to click on this. Then click on the download button. After about 5 seconds, the download should automatically start. Go ahead and download the Fabric API to your Mac, and again I'm going to download it to my desktop. The final thing we need to download is the Sodium mod. Open your web browser and go to a mod website of your choice. For this example, we are using modrienth.com. Scroll down and click on Discover Mods, and then find the Sodium mod, which should be listed near the top. Once you're on the mod web page, click on the Versions tab, and then scroll down and find the version you want to run Sodium for. Again, for this example we want 1.21.4, and you want to make sure it is selected for the Fabric platform, so we're going to click on this, and then click on the green download button, and again you want to download it to your Mac. Now we've downloaded Fabric, the Fabric API, and Sodium, we just need to go ahead and install Fabric. Open the Fabric installer. If you get an error message, it means we need to approve it in our system settings. Click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner and then click on System Settings. Once you're inside your system settings, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Now scroll all the way down of that menu until you find the Fabric installer listed and you want to go ahead and click on Open Anyway. Click Open Anyway again. You may need to use your Mac password or Touch ID. After a few seconds, it will successfully open and will look like this. From here, make sure you're on the Client tab at the very top. In the Minecraft version menu, select the version of Minecraft you want to install Sodium for. For this example, it's 1.21.4. For the loader version, just select the latest version. Make sure Create Profile is selected, and once we're ready, click on Install. It'll take a couple of seconds to install, and once it's done, you'll get this message, so click OK. Now you can exit out of the Fabric installer and you can delete it from your Mac if you'd wish to do so. Now we've installed Fabric, we just need to go ahead and install the Fabric API and our Sodium mod. Open your Minecraft launcher, and then click on Installations at the top. You should see the Fabric loader. If you don't see this, you want to restart your Minecraft launcher. From here, click on the file icon next to the Fabric loader. This will open your Minecraft installation folder. Now, go ahead and find the mods folder. If you don't have one, you may need to create one. To do that, click on the circle icon at the top and click on New Folder, and you want to rename it Mods. Once you've done this, go inside the Mods folder, and now we simply need to drag and drop the Fabric API and Sodium mod into this folder. Now we've done this, we can exit out of the file installation or we can go ahead and play Minecraft with our mods. To do that, click on the Play tab, and then underneath the Profile drop-down menu, make sure you've selected Fabric Loader. Once you've done this, click on Play. Now to access the Sodium settings, click on the Options button, and then click on Video Settings. You'll notice they've now changed to the Sodium video settings, so go ahead and change these to whatever you'd like. Once we've done this, we can click Done, and now we can go ahead and start playing Minecraft with Sodium just as we normally would. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more Rome Tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.